Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan ra sepi da ka singam beats aqua na molai moro hakajing dap sans nem jongka. Rengkat ka 3 Olives Restaurant M Crown Hotel Kendai Lat Shillong bat ka Orange Nissan Loan So Po Shillong. One ban thiet ya ka kali Datsun Ready Go bathamai ka bas kem bat bidor.
Hakashipotrik uno pra arjar arpo. Unong yalam jong keseng Kongres kabasyong hakalyang persya jong ke yeng dorbar thau ain ke jella hakajing ye kendo ya ulat ke jella usatya pal malik ula kentu ba un penstet no hakabapta ban penlong ye ke election MDC jong ke Garo Hills Autonomous District Council ya kabaladai ban penlong haubnai risau arjar arpo hadin bala pensenge no da ka ba pentrekam ya ka para 16(2) jong ke 6 schedule keriti sensyar jong keri India. Ka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council yementa kadang don hapadeng ke jing sensyar jong ulat ke jela.
The government delayed unnecessarily the whole process of election for the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council, which was due in October this year. Now, therefore, the para 16(2) of the 6th schedule of Constitution was invoked and then election delayed. We have urged the Honorable Governor that there is no reason for further delay of this election and election must be held on time and therefore the whole process must be started. Please recollect, during our time we have also deferred the election to the Autonomous District Council. But that time, that whole context and background for the government to arrive at that decision was different. You will recollect that post suspension of operation with ANBC, after the extensive due diligence to find out the settlement, a tax settlement was formatted, which was discussed, deliberated, and afterwards a tax settlement agreement was signed by Government of India, State Government, and the ANBC. And this tax settlement provides certain provision to further increase the number of seats in Autonomous District Council, including few other empowerment of the District Council, in addition to strengthening the developmental departments and adding some more developmental departments to the ADCs. Therefore, the Government of India, after we announced election, if you recollect, after the normal election was announced, we received a letter from MHA, which informed the state government saying that since the tax settlement agreement has been signed, and for the implementation of this tax settlement, certain provision of the 6th schedule of the Constitution need to be amended, and since the Parliament is going to sit and consider this proposed required amendment, therefore it will be appropriate only for the state to postpone the election to Garo Hills Autonomous District Council. That was a letter which is available officially and is a official correspondence.